I'm with Rachel DeToro, who's a landscaper that specializes in using native plants in home landscaping. Really makes sense to use the native plants.
Danny, it makes all the sense in the world. Native plants are already acclimated to your locality.
Okay, now how do you tell what's a native plant though? You go to the garden center and there's so many different types of plants that are shipped in. How do you really know what's native to your area?
Well, you'll have to ask your nursery professional which plants are native to your community. The local extension office will always give you that information. And we have also a native plant society in almost every state now that you can access online.
Oh good, that makes it a lot easier. Now, how successful would someone be to come out and dig a plant up out in the woods here and take it back to the house? What are some of the things they need to know?
Well, that's one way that you could do it. I would certainly ask permission from the property owner
Right.
before digging. You would want to do that in the winter months when the temperatures weren't so inclement.
Right.
And perhaps after a rain, when the plants have had plenty to drink, make sure that they're transplanted right away, watered in well, and they have a good start.
Okay, well, is it possible to take maybe a small plant and transplant it and then maybe shape it to make it look a little more formal?
Oh yes, they can take on a much more formal appearance. It depends on the maintenance style that you prefer around your home.
Okay, well, like I said, it really makes sense to use the plants that are used to the area, used to your environment, and use those at your home.